My name's Shaquita and Cherish, and we finna make a She Ratchet anthem. You ready to do this?
Yeah, let's get this started.
She ratchet, 'cause she ratchet. She ratchet. I see that girl. She ratchet, got that fake ass jeans on. She ratchet, got that Louis, that Prada, that Gucci, that Nada. She ratchet, she fake, she can't get it like moi. She
Ratchet.
She
Ratchet. Ratchet.
I see you at the hair salon tryna do that weave. It looks so nappy that I can lose my hand and pee. Girl, you not cute. Girl, you not fine. You need to go get a quick time out. You know we be doing it. Smoking while we goofing it. Riding in that coupe and we got them persons doing it. Girl, you know I'm doing it. Swagging my eye doing it. Because that girl is ratchet. She ratchet. She ratchet. She ratchet.
Girl,
She
you
ratchet. You know I be doing it. Nails and I'm doing it. Feet done, nails done, hair done. I'm cute today. You know I be rocking today. I get paid today. I got my Chris Brown and my 2 chicks. I'm doing it. Yeah, you know I'm the best. Girl, they call me Shaquita. From the left, I eat it. I be doing it. Doing it like I never done it. You can't stop my flow. I'm getting it. Finna do that pretty girl. Swag on that little girl. You think you looking for? Hell no. You's a skanky girl. You know I be doing it. Getting off the Louis. Hitting on that Prada and that Prada. I be doing it. You, She ratchet. 'Cause she ratchet. She ratchet. She ratchet.
This haircut costs $5. Every day I get $9.
I be
stupid.
I be getting it like, oh my gosh, I'm doing it right. You know you ain't good, girl. You know you hood, girl. You a hood rat, so quit trying to look good, girl. She ratchet. 'Cause she ratchet.
Look at that girl on
She
TV.
ratchet.
Take a
She
shower.
ratchet. Ooh, hey girl, what you doing today? That dress look cute. Won't you do a little ballet spin for me? Bye.
We'll talk to you later.
Oh my god, that girl look ratchet.
But she ratchet anyway.
Yeah, and this is Shaquita and Cherish.
Hit me up on
Deuce
Twitter
hitter.
and Facebook.
You hit me on Twitter. You know how I do
Sometime my
it.
face.
Peace.
You putting that on YouTube?